Here's a 2-minute tip for you. When you're using our individual chalk paste singles, here's how to use them and store them. Give them a little massage first, make sure it's all mixed up, then turn it upside down. Squeeze the paste towards the top end, which is now the bottom end, and then snip off a little corner of the bottom. This way you'll remember what color this is because you won't be using all of this paste for most of your projects. It will last for a few projects. Then you can use a tray or another container that you have to squeeze out the amount that you're going to need for your project. Always squeeze out a little bit at a time. You can always add more. Then you've got what you need to go ahead and paste your project. When you're done, you're going to squeeze that paste back in there, clean off that edge, and clean off that little spot right there, and then you're going to smoosh that paste back down to the bottom, fold over the top, and you're going to use some Scotch tape to seal it back up. So you can tape the corner, you can fold it up, and you can make sure it's folded or rolled right up so that it's not going to dry out and it'll be ready for when you are ready to do your next project. So tape it right up, and it should stay good for quite a while. Just like that. Now for extra measure, you could pop it into a Ziploc bag and it's extra sealed. Just like that. You'll remember the color and you'll be able to use it again and have it ready for your next project.